In the sacred land of Bodhgaya, where the Buddha is said to have achieved enlightenment, lies a remarkable hotel that echoes this spiritual legacy. Designed by SJK Architects, the hotel at Bodhgaya is an homage to Buddhist architecture, drawing from the rich heritage of brickwork and architectural details that define the area's ancient monuments. This hotel's architectural language is a blend of two lyrical concepts. First, memory, a nod to history, evoking the timeless forms of Buddhist structures. Vaults, arches, and intricate brickwork create a dialogue with the past, developed in a contemporary style that feels rooted yet modern. Second, emotion, inspired by the Buddhist values of simplicity, compassion, and serenity, which permeate every design choice. The hotel's design gently unfolds, guiding guests through a series of layered spaces. Verandas and framed views open up to a serene courtyard, with a majestic banyan tree at its heart. This tree serves as both a visual and spiritual anchor, offering a sense of calm and reflection. In its public spaces, the hotel expresses the five wisdoms of the Buddha: fearlessness, oneness with the earth, giving and sharing, unity with oneself, and the wisdom of Dharma. Each of these qualities is thoughtfully woven into the architecture and interiors, creating spaces that embody the peaceful ethos of Buddhist philosophy. Each space is also inspired by a symbolic mudra, or gesture, of the Buddha. The spa, for instance, represents the Bhumisparsha mudra, or one with the earth. Blue tones, water elements, and the thunderbolt symbol bring a sense of grounding and calm, reflecting the wisdom and tranquility associated with this mudra. From the exterior landscaping with lotus ponds to the tranquil color palettes, each detail in the hotel resonates with Buddhist principles, creating a cohesive environment that is both serene and intentional. Through the use of the five wisdoms of the Buddha and the Vajradhata mandala, the hotel forms a spiritual and architectural symphony. The hotel at Bodhgaya is more than a place to stay. It's a journey through Buddhist philosophy, expressed through architecture and design. Each space is crafted to offer a retreat of reflection, serenity, and connection, a true celebration of Bodhgaya's spiritual legacy.